This faceless YouTube channel hit over 4.1 million views, gains 140K subscribers, and earns $2,000 to $5,000 per month with just 18 stick figure videos, all while spending less than 2 hours daily. One of their videos even got over 2 million views in a month. This success isn't random. It's a proven formula rooted in viral YouTube strategies, and the process is simpler than you think. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create high-quality stick figure animations for YouTube, step by step, using free AI tools. Whether you're looking for a stick figure animation tutorial or seeking AI content creation tips, this guide has everything you need to launch your own profitable faceless YouTube channel. Stay until the end because, as always, I get straight to the point. By watching the full video, you'll learn all the crucial steps, plus one exclusive secret that no one else is sharing. If you're ready to turn this into a money-making YouTube automation channel, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. But wait, before we begin, many of you have asked me to review your channels. To help more creators succeed, I've launched my first ever channel review session. Head to the link in the description to register, and let's take your channel to the next level. Okay, so for real this time, let's dive in. Step 1. Write a viral-worthy script using AI. The first step in mastering viral YouTube strategies is crafting a compelling script that instantly hooks viewers. For this, we'll use DeepSeek. Unlike other AI models, DeepSeek excels at creating fresh, creative scripts that feel personal and relatable. But even with the right tool, you need the right prompt. The prompt I'm about to share was crafted after hours of testing, and trust me, it's the best one I've ever created for this channel. You can use it on other AI models and still get amazing results. Here's how to do it. Head to DeepSeek, link in the description, and log in. Copy and paste the exact prompt from the video description. Replace your chosen topic with your desired niche, for instance, overcoming procrastination, beating addiction, finding success, etc. For this video, I will be choosing the topic overcoming addiction. Hit generate, and voila! You have a professional-grade script in seconds. If you tried the prompt on ChatGPT, drop a comment on how good the script you got is, and give this video a like. It means a lot to me. Step 2. Generate voiceovers. With your script ready, it's time to bring it to life with a professional-sounding voiceover. For this, we'll use 11 Labs. Here's how. Go to 11 Labs, link in the description, click on the text-to-speech feature, and select a natural, casual voice style. Avoid robotic or overly dramatic voices unless they fit your niche. Copy and paste your script into the platform. Click Generate and download the audio file. Before moving forward, many of you have wondered how my videos rank so high in Google searches. Over 50% of my videos dominate search rankings thanks to a proven SEO strategy. Want to unlock this secret? Join my live session via the link in the pinned comment or video description. Of course, this is exclusive to my subscribers only, so if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button now. Okay, so back to creating our Stickman animation video. Step 3. Create engaging animations with Canva. Now comes the fun part, animating your stick figures. Here's how. Log into Canva and create a new project. Set the dimensions to 1920 by 1080 pixels, YouTube standard. Upload your voiceover files to Canva and drag them into the timeline. Adjust the scenes to match the voiceover. Use the Elements tab to find clean, minimal paper backgrounds for your animations. Pro tip: click on the lock icon to lock the background in place for a seamless edit. Next, add stick figure graphics. Search for stick figures in Canva's Elements tab. There are plenty to choose from, but if you need more, you can upload designs from free resources like Freepik. Match the stick figures to your script. For example, if the script says, "Let's talk about addiction," use a stick figure eating pizza. If the scene is about screen time, add a stick figure watching TV or using a phone with a clock icon to emphasize the passage of time. Split scenes efficiently. Press S to split into a new scene while keeping the same background. Delete the previous stickman and replace it with one that aligns with the next part of the script. I've animated the first 20 seconds. Now, let's add text overlays to highlight key points using playful fonts. To keep viewers engaged, apply these retention-boosting techniques. Cinematic motion. Make stick figures wave, jump, or point at key objects for added dynamism. Background music. Enhance the mood with royalty-free tracks from YouTube's audio library. Sound effects. If possible, add small sound effects to enhance engagement. Once your video is complete, export it as an MP4 file in 1080p resolution.
Alright, let's talk about addiction. And no, I'm not just talking about your obsession with binge-watching cat videos at 2 a.m. Though, honestly, same. I'm talking about the stuff that's holding you back. Whether it's scrolling TikTok for hours, stress eating an entire pizza, or something even bigger. You're here because you're tired of feeling stuck, right?
Upload your masterpiece to YouTube and optimize it with an eye-catching thumbnail, an SEO-friendly title. Want to learn how to optimize your video to reach millions of people? Join my free live session, link in the video description. Which niche would you choose for your stick figure animation series? Drop a comment below. Before you go, did you know creators are earning $5,000 plus per month from faceless YouTube channels? Check out my previous video on untapped niches for inspiration.